There are two kinds of statements in Python: conditional statements and iterational statements. We use if, else, and else if for conditional statements. In this lecture, we will learn about if and else statement. Well, in previous lecture, we have already learned and practiced the conditional operators. Using the if statement, we can go one step further with the conditional operators. Let's add a new notebook, file, and new notebook, and rename the file. Now let's declare two variables. I'm naming them first number and second number, and assign values. Well, when we need to do something on condition, like we can say if first number is greater than second number, then add two values, otherwise multiply two values. In such scenarios, we can use the if statement. Let's try it. To write if statement, we need to use the keyword if, then the condition if first number is greater than second number, then colon, press enter, go to the next line and print first number plus second number. Otherwise, in Python programming, we say else instead of otherwise. So press enter again and come back in the line of if and write else. Then colon, press enter, print first number multiply by second number. Before we run the program, can you guess what will be the output? Let's try to understand. Our first number variable holds value 30 and the second number variable holds value 31. So first number is smaller than second number. But we are saying if first number is greater than the second number, which is wrong or false. So it will not come inside the if block and do not do the addition. Rather, it will come inside the else section and do the multiplication. Let's run to check it. Awesome, we are correct. Well, now let's add two conditions together using the logical operation AND. Let's try it. Let's say if first number less than second number and first number greater than 10, then do the addition, else do multiplication. So here we're combining two conditions using the conditional operator AND. We're saying if first number is less than the second number, which is true. Again, we're saying if first number is greater than 10, which is also true. And combining two conditions using the conditional operator AND. So true plus true equal to true. Because the condition is true, so it will go inside the if block and print first number plus second number. Let's just run to test. Great. We can see our output as expected. Now if we say first number less than second number and first number less than 10, what will be the output? We know our first statement is true, but second statement is false because first number is not less than 10. And we know true plus false equal to false. So it will not go inside if block, rather it will go inside else block and print first number multiplied by second number. Let's run again to test. Awesome. Now at this point you have got two homeworks. Let me describe the first homework. Now you will write a program and the program will execute based on user's age. If user's age is between 0 to 2 years, then our program will print you are an infant baby. If user's age is between 3 to 8 years, then our program will print you are a child. If user's age is between 13 to 19 years, then our program will print you are a teen. If user's age is between 20 to 35 years, then our program will print you are a youngster. If user's age is between 36 to 50 years, then our program will print you are a matured man and you should have a wife and kids. Else, print you are a national treasure and we love you. Now let's describe homework 2. At this point, you will write another program. This program will also execute based on user's age. If user's age is 18 years old, then print you can vote. If user's age is 21 years old, then our program will show two messages. Print you can vote and you are matured enough to get married. Else, you are not matured enough to vote and far from getting married. Homework 2 is a little bit tricky, but easy enough to solve. I believe you all can solve it. I want every one of you to solve both the homeworks and post in comments. See you in next lecture.